Here are 5 strangers you should not bring into your marriage. I'm sure you're wondering, Nika, who are the strangers? You see, the silent strangers you bring into your marriage, the ones that you didn't even invite but are slowly destroying your peace and unity, you have to tackle it. Hi, my name is Nike Folagbade and I'm a trauma-informed family life coach and therapist, and I help individuals and couples heal from emotional trauma so you can break through to healing and begin to thrive in love, life and purpose. So let's talk about what these 5 strangers that creep into marriages when you're not watchful look like. I'll tell you what they are. The first one, very popular around this, this country that we live in. I won't tell you in case you're joining from any part of the world. In-laws without boundaries. You know that, right? We live in a communal environment, so it's beautiful to honor your parents, but when honor becomes intrusion, your marriage will suffer. If a mother-in-law shows up unannounced or dictates how your home should be run, that's a problem. And when you, the husband, refuse to set the boundaries, resentment will build up in your wife. Same with if your father-in-law or whoever from any of the family is constantly intruding without boundaries, there'll be a problem. Remember, the Bible says that is why a man leaves his father and mother and is united to his wife, and they can become one flesh. But trust me, whether you're a man or a woman listening to this, you must always set the boundaries for how your in-laws can interact with your marriage. The second are friends who don't respect your covenant. When you keep friends who mock your spouse, who even whisper certain things to you, oh, you're too submissive, oh, you do things like for your spouse, you are too nice, you are too kind, you are too, if they cannot pray for your marriage, they should not advise you. Do you understand? Any friend that continuously poisons your heart or introduces you to unhealthy alternatives, please take them out. Now, the third is emotional third parties. Sometimes it's not physical cheating that is happening to you. It's emotional intimacy with someone outside your spouse. You tell them your secrets, frustrations, and victories. Before you know it, they replace your spouse emotionally. I'm sure you want to say, Nikki, see, my spouse cannot handle the truth. Well, you married your spouse in the first place, right? You should still find a common ground around things you can discuss. And if you find yourself in an abusive situation, please seek for help. Do you understand? The fourth is social media comparisons. You see, scrolling through those perfect couples online can make you despise your own journey. Comparison kills gratitude and intimacy. So you want to remember, no one will post their pain, right? They will always show you what is working. So remember that in your marriage, there will be the good times and those not so good times. Appreciate it still, because everything is working together for your good, right? The fifth is the stranger called silence. Yes, silence can be a stranger. The moment you stop praying, you stop talking to yourself, you stop dreaming together, that distance will continue to grow. You may live together, but you're emotionally divorced. If you want to rebuild connection and learn to protect your marriage from emotional intruders, then you want to definitely be very mindful about how you navigate things together. And I also want to invite you to read my book, Untold Secrets That Wreck Marriages. And for the men, I want you to read How to Lead Her with Love, a powerful book on leading yourself with vision and also being able to love her and lead her through the headship that God has given to you as a man in the home. Trust me, if you can take away these strangers and focus back in your marriage, all things will begin to settle out and you can finally deal with the issues in your marriage. If you love this particular content, I want you to like, subscribe, share with another friend or couple, and then go in the comments and tell me one thing that you feel like, hey, I need to send out this stranger right now from my marriage, right? I can't wait to read from you, and I'll see you in another video. Take care of yourself.